Hi all, I'm Chloe Foster, HR Director for Valorum Care Group. I hope you're all really well and enjoying this beautiful sunshine at the moment. I'm just leaving a little message today to let you know about some really important updates that are coming onto the app in relation to COVID. I'm sure, like many, you see so much in the news at the moment, and an awful lot actually about the health and social care industry. It's great to see that we're still getting that recognition, and firstly, again, a huge thank you to everybody working so hard through this pandemic. One of the big pieces of news that you've probably heard is about the House of Commons agreeing that the vaccine should be mandatory for all those working in health and social care. Although that hasn't happened yet, we as a senior management team are strongly encouraging everybody who isn't clinically exempt to go and get their double vaccines as soon as possible. The NHS are advising this is our best way to get us out of the pandemic, and also the best way to protect yourselves, your loved ones, those you work with, and all of those around you. Now, for some, this might raise a few questions and a few concerns, and maybe some of you are worried about getting the vaccine. So what we have done is, on the app there's a little COVID button, and we've put a question and answer sheet which should answer the majority of questions that you have and hopefully alleviate your worries that there's nothing to worry about with the vaccine. All of the SMT have now had the vaccine, as have nearly 90% of staff, so we really encourage the rest of you to go and get your double jab. There's also lots of other news that's coming out on the app, so please keep an eye on the app. We're going to be using that heavily over the coming weeks, months and years to make sure we share all of our messages. Again, there is a specific COVID button, so if you've got any questions or concerns, please click on that to send a question, or feel free to send a question to the COVID inbox, which is covid-19@valorumcaregroup.com. From myself, Chloe, and on behalf of all the SMT, please keep well. Thank you very, very much for listening to this message and doing your bit to help us get out of this pandemic.